Howdy. I was given this compressor to repair. What it was doing, anytime you start it, it would trip this thermal breaker. This is a thermal breaker. I ordered some parts for it. I put a new thermal breaker. This was the capacitors it had. That's the run capacitor. And this one is the stat capacitor. I ordered the capacitors and I placed them. It wasn't building up, it was just going up to 2 bars. When I have the compressor open through the bleed screw underneath, it would work. It would run for some time. When anytime I close the bleed screw for it to build air, it would have some problems. But I got it going up to this, if you notice. But what it started doing, anytime it reached there, it would work and stop, work and stop, work and stop until it tripped the thermal switch again. It burned. I ordered the run capacitor. I put it in, but it burned the stat capacitor. So I had one there. I placed it. It started working and it would get very, very hot. So what I believe is wrong with this, it's the winding. It gets so hot that it started smoking. So I just decided to talk about it. So those of you who have a compressor that has the same problem would know what to look for. I bought the air filter for it. I changed the switch, the thermal switch, and the 2 capacitors. I had to put a stand for them because the original capacitors had a screw behind it. It's difficult getting an original, and the capacitor I got is much bigger. It's the same rating, but it's much bigger than this one. So I believe the winding of the capacitor is what's bad. That is a 110. But I have, this is one I'm working on. This is the tank of acetylene. I build it. I put this on it, but the fan, I broke the fan, which I would be ordering. The connectors it had were all seized up and bad, so I'd be getting them in. Yeah, but this is 220. and this one is 110. So this is it for this video. There isn't nothing much I could do with it again because the motor is gone and it gets very, very hot and it starts smoking. So this is it for this video. Until the next one. Goodbye and thank you. I hope I made some sense in trying to explain what is what. Goodbye and thank you.